To add logic to a point in Computrols building automation software, you'll start by going to the point program screen of the point where you want to add the logic statement. In CBAS, you can access this point through text view, hardware view, or graphics view depending on your preference. For this example, we'll use hardware view. In hardware view, we'll click controller channel, then go to controllers and select the controller where the point lives. When we click the points button, we'll see all of the points on this controller. As previously mentioned, we'll select the point where we want to program our logic and go to the point program screen. Now, when we talk about how to program a sequence, we're often going to use words like if, else, and then. For this reason, CBAS's logic editor mimics the natural English language known as Boolean logic. For the purposes of this example, we'll write a simple sequence stating that if the exhaust fan temperature sensor is greater than 75 degrees, then we want to start the exhaust fan. From here, we'll click the Insert Row button and we'll be prompted with a list of commands to begin the sequence. The same way we just set our logic statement, we'll start off by clicking If. Then choose the exhaust fan temperature sensor. Then choose Is Greater Than. Here we could use a calculation or the value of another point, but for the sake of keeping things simple, we'll input 75 degrees. Then choose Then, Start, Exhaust Fan Start Stop. From here, you can see we have a number of ways to continue this sequence. However, for this example, we'll simply click Finish. As you can see, this logic statement reads just as we stated it before getting started. This is how you program logic in CBAS.